What is my Revolut account number? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question that I get asked the most: what is my Revolut account number? I know that a lot of you are interested in using Revolut, but you're not sure how to get started. So, I'm here to help. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Revolut account number. I'll also explain what you can use it for. What is Revolut? Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what Revolut is. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a range of financial services, including banking, investing, and travel. Revolut is available in over 35 countries and has over 20 million customers. It is one of the fastest-growing fintech companies in the world. How to find your Revolut account number? There are two ways to find your Revolut account number. The Revolut app. Open the Revolut app and tap on the Cards tab. Tap on the card that you want to find the account number for. Tap on the Account Number button. Your account number will be displayed on the screen. The Revolut website. Go to the Revolut website and log into your account. Click on the Cards tab. Click on the card that you want to find the account number for. Click on the Account Number button. Your account number will be displayed on the screen. What can you use your Revolut account number for? You can use your Revolut account number to make and receive payments, transfer money to other people, set up direct debits, pay bills, invest in stocks and shares, buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Additional tips. Your Revolut account number is a 16-digit number. It is always the same, no matter what device you use to access your account. You can find your account number in the Revolut app or on the Revolut website. You can use your account number to make and receive payments, transfer money to other people, set up direct debits, pay bills, invest in stocks and shares, and buy and sell cryptocurrencies. I hope this video has helped you to find your Revolut account number. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.